This is Aston Installations. My name is James Hawkes-Reed.
I'm Lenny Knox.
I'm
one of the directors of Aston Installations.
Len and I have known each other for a number of years. Both of us have come from taking cars to bits, working from the back of a van, turning up to your house, your office, workplace, and putting various electronics into cars, from hands-free kits to parking sensors to trackers, immobilizers, over the many years that both he and I have been doing it.
Well, my journey with Aston Installations started off as a self-employed installer, working for myself, obviously, doing James's overspill when he used to work for a different company. But we got to a point where James didn't have enough time and I didn't have enough time, so we decided to join forces.
So 2017 we started Aston Installations as it is now. 2018 we moved into the building that we're in now, thinking this is huge, we're never going to fill it, and as you see it's always full and non-stop ever since.
I'm Ryan Knox and I am lead technician at Aston Installations. What I do is a very broad question, but my day-to-day task, I suppose, is managing the workload that comes through the workshop, helping with directors with product development, testing new units, preparing new units, shipping parcels, but just general keeping the workshop ticking over and making sure that the cars that are coming in are going out as they should be and keeping the quality nice and high.
My name is Daniel Hawkes-Reed and I am a workshop engineer for Aston Installations. I kind of do everything in the workshop, so I mainly work on all the cars, mainly CarPlay kit, which is our big seller, which is what mainly for our customers come in for, but obviously they go in with the reverse cameras and front cameras and dash cameras and the HD screen, front and rear cameras, of course, rear lights as well, I do that. I sort of do a bit of everything in the workshop, so I fit a lot of the kit.
My name is Amy and my position is Office Manager. My role at Aston Installations is basically everything. So I answer emails, I'm the voice at the end of the telephone, I ship kit all over the world, I do the ordering of stock parts, make the tea, clean the toilets, just about everything. Oh, and keep these boys in check.
My name is Alan Bridgen Page and I'm a part-time driver at Aston Installations. I travel all over the country for Aston Installations, either collecting or delivering motor cars. I work on a part-time basis. I come in whenever they call me. I literally cover the country. Late last year I travelled to Ireland. I've been to Scotland a few weeks ago to pick up a car and bring it back. I've been doing this now for just over 2 years. I'm always very conscious. When I collect an Aston or drive an Aston, I don't have the radio on. I just enjoy what I'm doing, and I'm very conscious that we are looking after somebody's pride and joy, and we have to look at it, I look at it in that way. But that's all part of the service that Aston Installations do.
My name is Joe Aker. I'm kind of a technical engineer, doing in IT and electronics for about 30 years. Came to Aston Installations a few years ago as they were looking for somebody doing an upgrade of the HD screens, and I'm kind of an external technical consultant, developing new solutions, bits and pieces we need, and doing the HD screen updates. This is not just on the Chinese corner store plug-in screen that does some modern stuff, but it really is designed to fit perfectly into this supercar.
My name's Ian. I've got a Aston Martin Vantage V8. I got into Aston Installations through social media. I'd seen the name on social media. I bought the car. One of the things I really wanted to do was upgrade the stereo. Saw that Aston Installations did that, got in contact with James, and then during the conversation he talked about CarPlay. So my first visit really was the upgrade of the stereo system and the original CarPlay system. The Aston community is a relatively small community, and I honestly believe that Aston Installations is one of the best things about that Aston Martin community. You can ring them up, I've got a problem, bring it down next week, we'll have a look at it. Just the general, all of them, they're brilliant. James, Lenny, Daniel, they're all really nice guys. They're like friends now, and I never hesitate to recommend them to anybody.
My name's Tony Sheridan, and I got a V12 Vantage, a 2010 V12 Vantage. Originally I needed an alarm system, and I'd heard that the Apple CarPlay system was just fantastic. So I bought it in here to get both of those things done at the same time, which is what they did, and it transformed it, honestly. I wanted carbon fibre hockey sticks. Those are the panels on the dashboard with the Bang & Olufsen tweeters in there. There was all sorts of electronic wizardry had to be done, and they figured it out. I think they think I'm a pain in the ass, to tell you the truth, but I come up with these ideas and they do it, and it's fantastic.
Hello, my name is Michael Profit. I'm an ex-professional motor racing driver. I won the Dubai 24-hour race driving the Aston Martin for the AUH team, and I'm here at Aston Installations to tell you why I keep coming back. The service is amazing. The help when I first made contact with them on the telephone with all the staff was splendid, excellent all the way down. They understood exactly what I wanted, and all my needs were taken care of. I actually came in to get an upgrade on the system because it is outdated. It's a 2007 model. It was fine then, but of course times have changed. So I've got a complete upgrade, Bluetooth, and for the satellite navigation system, and they did an amazing job, amazing.